Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a website with Weebly, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a website with Weebly, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Weebly website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and a name for your site. Once you've signed up, you may need to verify your email before continuing. After verification, log in to your Weebly account. On the dashboard, click on Create a new site. Select a theme that suits your style and the purpose of your website. You can customize this theme later, so pick one you like for now. Click on Start Editing to enter the Weebly website builder. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes a sidebar with various elements you can add to your site. Drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons onto your page from the sidebar. To edit text, simply click on the text box and type in your content. Adjust the size and style of your text using the options in the editor. To add images, drag the image element to your desired location and upload an image from your computer. You can also use stock images provided by Weebly. For additional pages, go to the Pages tab in the top menu. Click on Add to create a new page and choose the type of page you want. Use the same drag and drop feature to populate your new page with content. To adjust your site's navigation, simply drag and drop the pages in the Pages menu. Here, you can change your site title, add a favicon, and set up SEO options. Once you're satisfied with your website, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Choose a domain for your site, either by selecting a free Weebly subdomain or by connecting your own domain. Next, click Publish again to make your site live. Now your website is accessible online for visitors to explore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.